Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious yogurt smoothie at home. Making a homemade yogurt smoothie is simple and incredibly rewarding. You will need just a few basic ingredients: fresh or frozen fruits, your favorite yogurt, and a liquid base. The beauty of making it yourself is that you control all the ingredients, ensuring a healthy and tasty treat every time. Let's get started with the essentials. Now let's talk about blending for that perfect texture. A good starting point is to combine 1 cup of yogurt with 1 cup of fruit. For the liquid, begin with about 1/2 cup and adjust as needed to reach your preferred thickness. Place all ingredients into your blender. Start blending on a low speed, then gradually increase it until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Customizing your smoothie is where the fun truly begins. You can easily boost its nutritional value by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. For natural sweetness, a drizzle of honey or pure maple syrup works wonderfully. If you want extra vitamins without changing the flavor, try adding a handful of fresh spinach. A scoop of protein powder can also provide an excellent energy boost, making it a perfect post-workout drink. Once your smoothie is perfectly blended, it's time to enjoy. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Another great tip is to freeze extra smoothie in ice cube trays. These frozen cubes can be stored for longer and are perfect for a quick reblend when you're craving another delicious, homemade yogurt smoothie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.